Tesla recently released 2024.26.9 software update in China, which includes a range of features such as improvement to AV, adaptive headlight, visual speed limit, scheduled charging, and temperature preset timing. In this update, you will also get door open warning. It will show when you try to open any door. If the system detects an object outside the vehicle, such as pedestrian, the blind spot warning light will illuminate. This is an addition to the other new feature introduced in summer update. Another feature called adaptive headlight, where headlight illuminate the curves on the road ahead and shine further when driving on the highway. Visual speed limit, where visual speed limit can now use vehicle cameras to detect speed limit sign and improve the accuracy of local road speed. And the detected speed limit sign will be displayed in the driving visual picture to set the relevant speed limit alarm.